Creating clickable link in YouTube description is pretty easy. All you need to do is take care of some stuff and a step-by-step guideline. That's important. YouTube is a great platform to upload your videos and get a lot of engagement. Now you do open your YouTube studio, go to your content style. Here you can see the list of video that you have uploaded and will upload regardless of privacy policies and stuff. Now you have to click on the pencil icon, that means edit your button. Now you can see the edit your title and other stuff. You can edit your thumbnail, but here you can see the description. After clicking on description, you can edit it. Now here you can paste your link. But remember, one thing is, make sure your YouTube channel is verified. Maybe a phone number is good. It will help you to upload your link clickable, because YouTube don't allow if it's not verified. After that, just paste your link with https or http. It depends on your SSL certificate. After that, that's it. You'll be able to paste your clickable link on YouTube, and audience can now click it and enjoy the content that you have given them.